Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the mic recognized. First, plug in or enable the built-in mic and flip any physical switches. Then open your operating system's sound settings and choose that microphone as the default input so apps can access it. Once done, grant microphone permission to the recording application. Without that, nothing records. Finally, check drivers and perform a quick level test, setting input gain around 70–85% to avoid clipping, while capturing a clear signal. You now dial in technical settings for quality. Pick a sample rate like 44, 1K or 48K HC, and 16 or 24-bit depth, because higher rates increase fidelity but not always needed. Make sure monitoring is on so you hear latency and balance. Enable a low-cut filter to reduce rumble and noise suppression if room noise is an issue. Position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, set gain conservatively, and record a 10 to 20-second test clip to inspect levels and tone. You finish by securing the settings and preparing the final file. Save presets or profiles so you can reuse the exact configuration, then export a raw WAV or a high bitrate MP3 depending on delivery needs. Apply gentle normalization, light EQ, and mild compression to stabilize volume while keeping dynamics. Finally, back up the original takes. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting step. Toggle app mic permissions, reboot the laptop, and test a different USB port or headset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.